All right, are you ready? You're ready.
And you get a snack. You get a snack. You want
It's the police helicopter.
I got Kendall here, out on route. What up? I mean, Kaylin. Hey, I'm Kendall. I saw Kendall up there. And now I'm down here with Kaylin.
What's up?
Kaylin.
Yes.
It's just one of those days I haven't had coffee yet, you know?
Yeah, I'm new.
But we're already
so
out here.
It's hard to remember my name.
She's so new that she's only been here for over a year. Has it been a year yet?
Yeah, Jackie and I had our anniversary last week.
What? Give me a tour of this vehicle, guys. There's blue containers. What's in this today? What's on the menu?
All right, are you ready? You're ready.
What's on the menu?
Got him! Got him!
Menu today is we have a fruit punch juice right here. Fruit punch. We got a Scooby snack. That's a fan favorite right there. Scooby snack. You like the Scooby snacks?
I love them. Racky?
What else is in there?
We have a delicious apple.
Apple. I like it. I like it.
And an Italian sub, which is so good when you heat it up in the microwave.
Yeah. It sounds delicious, Jimmy. Woo.
So this is where we keep all of our stash.
Hey!
Zach, what time? Oh, hey, Zach.
It's snack o'clock, baby!
Woo! Snack o'clock.
You have to close your eyes and just moment of truth.
Okay.
In there.
All right,
It's my first time participating in snack roulette. Is that what you call it? Okay.
Snack o'clock, snack roulette.
I love these. Do you just close your eyes? Anyone else need a snack? Okay. Okay. Danny wants a snack. Okay, what do we want, Danny? We're gonna get chicken. Yay! And you get a snack. You get a snack. Kaylin, what are you doing?
Right
All
now,
these balls and chalk.
I'm in charge
It's
of the
raining. Are you really playing games with kids when it's raining?
yeah, for sure.
How does it work?
You just play whatever you want.
Oh, baller status.
What's up, homie? Oh, Marus is on fire! Dude, it's going great, man. Dude, you're looking just so beautiful today.
Looking at you right now, Zach, makes me want to be you more.
Thank you, man. I really appreciate that.
How are you doing?
You know, it's a rainy day, but you know, the earth is being watered.
Rain, sleet, snow, Dream Center, we on the go.
Bye, y'all.